The growing body of research surrounding berries and brain health has become one of the most uplifting and hopeful areas of nutritional science. The idea that something as sweet, vibrant, and pleasurable as a bowl of blueberries or raspberries could help protect memory, sharpen thinking, and slow the natural aging of the brain is both inspiring and deeply empowering. For decades, scientists have studied the extraordinary concentration of polyphenol, particularly anthocyanins, inside these small fruits, and the evidence is now remarkably clear. Regular berry intake supports long-term cognitive function and may significantly reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. In a world where many people worry about memory loss and neurodegenerative diseases, berries offer a delicious, natural, and accessible tool for lifelong brain vitality. One of the most powerful ways blueberries and raspberries support brain health is through their rich supply of antioxidants that actively combat oxidative stress. The brain is highly sensitive to oxidative damage because it consumes large amounts of oxygen and contains high concentrations of fatty tissue, which are vulnerable to free radicals. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their deep blue and red colors, neutralize these harmful free radicals and protect neurons from inflammation and degradation. This protection helps maintain the structure and function of brain cells, preserving sharpness, focus, and clarity over time. Instead of merely preventing decline, these compounds appear to encourage the growth and repair of neural pathways, essentially acting like nourishment for the brain on a cellular level. Research from institutions such as Harvard and the University of Cincinnati has demonstrated that regular consumption of blueberries leads to measurable improvements in memory, learning ability, and cognitive performance, even in older adults already experiencing mild cognitive challenges. Participants who consumed blueberries daily for several weeks improved recall and mental processing speed more significantly than those who did not. Animal studies reinforce this effect, showing that berry antioxidants increase neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to create new connections and strengthen existing ones, which is crucial for memory formation and maintaining youthful cognitive function. Berries also help increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth protein that supports the survival of brain cells and encourages the creation of new neurons. The anti-inflammatory effects of berries are equally important. Chronic inflammation, especially in the brain, is considered one of the driving forces behind cognitive aging and diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Polyphenol in blueberries and raspberries reduce inflammatory signaling and protect the blood-brain barrier, allowing the brain to function more efficiently and recover more rapidly from everyday stress. When inflammation decreases, communication between neurons becomes sharper and faster, improving daily mental performance and protecting long-term cognitive resilience. Berries also support healthy blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain tissue more effectively. Improved blood flow, particularly in regions responsible for memory and executive function, enhances mental alertness and clarity. This effect becomes especially valuable as we age, when circulation tends to decline. By supporting a healthier vascular system, berries reinforce brain health from another essential direction. Perhaps one of the most hopeful aspects of berry research is how simple and realistic the intake recommendations are. Many studies show benefits from just 1 to 2 cups of berries per week, while even stronger effects appear with daily consumption. This means that adding berries to breakfast cereal, yogurt, smoothies, salads, whole grain toast, or simply enjoying them fresh or frozen as a snack can create meaningful improvements in brain health. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, making this habit accessible year-round and affordable for many people. Pairing berries with nuts or dark chocolate even enhances antioxidant absorption and adds complementary nutrients that support the nervous system and cardiovascular health. Emotionally, berries offer comfort and enjoyment. Their naturally sweet flavor satisfies cravings without relying on processed sugars, supporting balanced moods and stable energy levels. Foods that bring joy and are easy to incorporate into daily routines are more likely to become lifelong habits, and long-term consistency is the key to any anti-aging strategy. Berries remind us that protecting the brain does not have to involve restriction or sacrifice. It can taste bright, refreshing, and full of pleasure. Although no single food can completely prevent cognitive decline, blueberries and raspberries stand among the most scientifically validated foods for brain longevity. They nourish neural structures, improve memory performance, reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and support healthier brain aging in a way that feels natural, gentle, and enjoyable. Every handful is a small but powerful investment in mental sharpness, emotional balance, and quality of life in the decades ahead. In a world searching for tools to stay mentally vibrant, berries provide a beautifully simple and delicious answer. Eat them with optimism, enjoy them often, and let their vibrant colors and flavors be a daily reminder that nourishment for the mind can be sweet, satisfying, and incredibly effective.